Supreme Court justices today grilling the lawyers trying to save social media giant TikTok. Representatives for the company arguing that the law requiring TikTok to sever its ties to China or cease operations in the U.S. by January 19th violates free speech protections.
Am I right that the algorithm is the speech here?
Yes, Your Honor. It's basically how we predict what our customers want to see.
Both liberal and conservative members of the court skeptical over the premise that an algorithm is speech.
How are those First Amendment rights really being implicated here?
The court has never held that a foreign government has free speech rights.
And Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson pointing out that the law is not an outright ban.
You're wrong about the statute being read as saying TikTok, you have to go mute. Because TikTok can continue to operate on its own algorithm, on its own terms, as long as it's not associated with ByteDance.
Former TikTok product manager Drew Kirchhoff, who worked with the company for 6 years, told us selling TikTok and keeping it the way it is would be impossible.
Chinese people know how to run it, but in the U.S. there's nothing like it. There's really no one here that, in my opinion, knows how to run TikTok the way that TikTok runs.
But the Justice Department insists with its ties to China, TikTok, which has 170 million American users, poses a national security threat.
China is a foreign adversary nation that looks for every opportunity it has to weaken the United States.
TikTok's lawyer insisting
We absolutely resist any kind of content manipulation by China at all.
if the law goes into effect, it would ban TikTok from app stores but not remove it from phones that already have it. Justice Alito today asking why users can't just take to a different app.
You know, I'm just wondering whether this is like somebody's attachment to an old article of clothing. I mean, I really love this old shirt because I've been wearing this old shirt, but I could go out and buy something exactly like that. But no, I like the old shirt. Is that what we have here?
Now, the Supreme Court could issue a preliminary block on that deadline looming 9 days from now ahead of a final ruling on the arguments made here today. Word from the court could come at any time. Lester?
Savannah Sellers, thank you.